back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick demo on this super cute lip gloss set by Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's 4 different shades in this kit, and they're opaque, high shine, vanilla scented lip color. Time for the lip swatches. Let's try adding a lip liner because this has me looking a little bit crazy. I'm going to use a lip liner called Trendsetter by Morphe. This one also has me looking a little nutty, so let's add a lip liner. I'm absolutely loving this set. I definitely am going to wear all of the colors. Oh my god, beautiful. The first 2, you definitely need a lip liner unless you want to look crazy if you're my skin tone. These last 2, I didn't bother putting one. I don't think I really need it. They have like glitter in them. Oh my god, so beautiful. Like, look at this. Ooh, I love it. If you have this set, let me know down below which one is your favorite color, or if you don't, let me know which one you liked on me best. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give this video a like if you enjoyed the beautiful lip swatches, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!